Hey guys, and welcome back to the Smurfy family vlog. Today it's just gonna be me on this vlog, and today we're gonna do a Halloween makeup look. For those of you who don't know much about me, I am a makeup artist. I didn't go to school for it, but I am self-taught, and I sell Lime Life by Alcohol Makeup. And so I'm gonna put my link in the description, and if you see any of these products you like today, go hit my link and purchase some beautiful products. We go along. So today I'm gonna be doing a Halloween makeup look because it is October, so it's just fitting. And I'm gonna turn the camera and show you what look I'm doing. Can you guys see that? Alright, that's the look I'm gonna be doing right there. So we're just gonna get started. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with the Lime Life primer. Primer spray. It's called First Base Makeup Primer. Again, if you go to my link and just hit makeup, it'll be under there. You just add to the cart that way. It's super easy. That all over my face, and that's going to prime my face and moisturize it and just make everything look more flawless before I get started. Next thing I'm going to do is conceal, and since this is a Halloween makeup, I'm not going to like crazy conceal because it's not going to matter in the end, but I am going to do a little bit concealer just to show you guys the Lime Life concealer. So another thing about Lime Life is it's all based on your skin tone, and so you're welcome to color match yourself. But if you don't, or if you're not an expert in color, get on my Instagram and DM me and say, hey, I want to buy some Lime Life foundation, can you color match me? And from there, I'll have you send me a few pictures of yourself in natural lighting, and we'll see what color you are. So Lime Life, it's very thick. As far as concealer goes, you can put as much as you want on because you're trying to cover everything. But as far as foundation goes, you could literally swipe your brush one time and it's gonna cover your whole face because that's what it's made to do. So you're gonna see, sometimes I dip my brush twice, but a lot of the times it's just one time and it covers my whole face. With this being a over dramatic look, I'll probably dip my brush more than that, but because it's wax based, a little goes a long way with Lime Life. Okay, so that was the concealer. These two are concealers, and that's a foundation. And I'm gonna use, so I have an 6 palette foundation, and then I also have 2 extras. So I have 8 altogether, and usually right now I'm kind of in between 2, so I mix them. But I just like to mix mine because even though I'm one color, I like to look darker than I really am, so sometimes I mix them. So I just take my flathead brush and I mix in one, mix in the other, and I swirl it on my face. While I'm doing this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to do a lot more fun videos coming up, and I'm going to be doing a lot more makeup tutorials coming up. Brandon's also worked on like a fishing vlog and stuff for you men out there. we're trying to make our YouTube very family friendly, but also moms and dads out there and teenagers. We just want everybody to watch and everybody get something out of our YouTube channel. So you saw I only dipped my brush once. Well, I did it twice to show you guys how to dip it, but look how covered my face is right now. And smooth looking. That's why I love Limelight so much, because it's so smooth and flawless looking. It makes me feel very confident. Okay, so usually I would put a bronzer on after, but because this is a paler makeup look, I'm not going to put a bronzer on. I'm just going to get right into the eyes and eyebrows. I'm going to do my eyebrows first, and I'm going to do them a lot more dramatic than I've ever done them before. Because, like I said, this is an over dramatic look, and it's supposed to be. I think I'm going to use, I usually use eyeshadow to fill my eyebrows in. Limelight does offer a eyebrow pencil and a eyebrow brush. So if you rather use a pencil and a brush, get on the link and find that. Otherwise, you can use eyeshadow like I do. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use, and I'm very empty right now. I'm gonna use this dark brown, and I'm gonna make them, again, really over dramatic. And I'm gonna look in my mirror down here for the So if you guys decide you like this or this makeup look, I'm going to do some other ones up until Halloween. We have, what, 14-ish days left, maybe a little bit more than that. So if you guys end up liking this, I'm gonna have you go to my Instagram, my makeup Instagram. I'll put that in the description, and you're gonna comment on this picture that I take, and you're gonna comment a heart emoji, a unicorn emoji, or a green heart emoji. So regular heart, so red heart, unicorn, or green heart. And those are the three I'm gonna know that you like it. So just a regular comment, I'll look at it, but it's no big deal. If you comment one of those three emojis, I'm gonna know you really like it and that you want me to do more. And from there, I can post on Instagram and do a contest on which ones you guys think I should do. But I am going to do eyeliner because I think it'll give a dramatic feel. So I'm out of Lime Life eyeliner, or else I would be using Lime Life eyeliner, but it's called the Perfect Eyeliner Pen, and it works awesome. It makes the perfect line for you, and it's super easy to just quickly put on. My mother-in-law loves to use it for her everyday makeup. She said it's so easy to use. I usually make a big order of Lime Life around the first of each month. So if you don't feel like ordering your own order, I can absolutely do it for you. It's no problem at all. Like I said, just get on my Instagram, DM me. And we'll take care of it. eyelashes. I am also out of my Lime Life mascara, which is really sad because it's one of my favorite products of Lime Life. I really need to make myself an order. I just haven't gotten to it yet. So I'm just using a generic mascara. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about is a company I've looked into called Red Aspen, and they sell nails that you put on yourself, so self-applied nails, and they're gorgeous and they look super simple to apply. I've not used them yet, but I have a friend that sells them, and she said she's doing awesome and that people are loving them. So if you guys think I should look into selling Red Aspen, or if you guys would be interested in knowing more about it, so I know how many customers I might get, let me know. Comment on this video or go to my Instagram and comment. You can go to my personal Instagram or my business Instagram. I'm not picky about it. Just DM me, comment my pictures, tell me something so I know if you guys are going to be interested in me doing that. And they sell makeup products, but I would only be promoting the nail portion of the brand and the eyelash portion, and their eyelashes are gorgeous. I'm one who, if I did my makeup every day, I would put fake eyelashes on every single day. So I love fake eyelashes. I know not everybody's like that, but I love them so much. Now, I don't have the longest eyelashes in the world, so fake eyelashes just give me that I look for. Alright, now we're going to put the falsies on. Right now I just use the super cheap ones from the store. Sometimes you can get them anywhere, honestly. But the Red Aspen eyelashes are gorgeous. Another brand I've looked into working with is Monge, and I just got their straightener and one of their curling wands called I can't remember what it's called, but I'll get them out for you here in a second. And if you guys would be interested in me looking into selling Monge products, I'd also be interested in doing that. But my Lime Life business hasn't been doing the greatest, just because we're in the process of buying a house, and we just had our wedding and our honeymoon, and it's just been kind of hectic, so I haven't had much time to devote to it. But I would love to get back into it once we close on our house and I have an area to get back into it. And that's why I'm looking at other brands to sell. Because I love hair, makeup, nails, all the fun stuff, not just makeup. once you get done watching this video, everybody comment what they're going to be for Halloween. So maybe I can get some ideas of what other makeup looks to do if you guys want me to do some other makeup looks. Then I can help you guys out if you need to do some makeup. For the locals around me, I also will do makeup on Halloween, but I'll only take like 2 or 3 slots because I also take my little baby girl out trick-or-treating one night. I won't have all day, or I won't have all night to do it, just during the day. Sometimes eyelashes give me the hardest time. Alright, let's get some mascara on those so they pop. So if anybody's wondering what this makeup look is, I would say it's like a Mother Nature kind of look. She's got the leaves in her hair, and the flowers in her hair, and just that green Mother Nature look. There's another really pretty Mother Nature look that I liked, but this one looked simpler. So I went for it since I didn't have much time today to do it. All right. Finish the face. darker green and just doing those darker spots. Alright, so I got the green done. I'm going to do these white dots on the nose. I'm going to add some highlighter and then I'll do the lips. Now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to take the Lime Life lip liner, and this color is Cabernet. I'm just going to line my lips. And because this is a Halloween look, I'm going to overline. Which means I'm going to go a little bit outside of my lip line. Make them look a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to take this color. darker colors and darken it up. And then to make it darkest of darkest of darkest, I'm gonna take Limelight lip gloss, and this is color this is color Joy. And then I'm gonna go do my hair, and then I'm gonna get some last minute pictures. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today. Before I go, I wanted to show you guys these Launge products. First, this is the Launge straightener, and it works wonders. I love it so much already, and I just got it. It's called Launge Le Gloss straightener. And then my curling wand, of which I literally just did one strand to get pictures, and that's what it did. I love the loose wavy curl, and it's called the Launge Luster, and I got the 32 millimeter, and I love them. They come in white, pink, and black, and I got the black just because I was scared I would get the pink and white dirty. But I'm so glad you are watching with me today. Thank you for tuning in. Go to my Instagram if you guys are interested in me selling Red Aspen, which is the nail eyelashes company, or Launge, which is the hair products. And then also go to my Instagram and comment on this, my business Instagram, comment on this photo, a red heart, black, green heart, or unicorn emoji, and I'll know you like it, and then I'll be posting some other options for me to do on here. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, turn on our post notifications, and go like us on Instagram. Love you guys. Bye.